Hey guys, this is Rahman Siddiqui once again in my channel Siddiqui Edits. Hope guys you staying in home, and guys our today video is also very much interesting because today I am going to show you top 5 secret tricks in your Android phone. So let's get started today video. So guys, let's see our first trick in today list, how you can zoom in any part of your mobile screen just like this. So just go to your setting, then search in search engine option magnification option. Just simply click on it. I already on it. Just you can on or off, and you just see that it will zoom out clearly, so it will very helpful for eyesight problem peoples. So that was the first trick in our today list. Let's get into the second trick in our today list, how you can remove the background of any image without installation any app. Let's see how to do that. Go to the Google Chrome, just click on search engine and search remove.bg. Click on upload image and select any of your picture in gallery. For example, I select that one. You will see that image will download. Here you can see that the background is fully removed. Download HD, it will save in your phone gallery easily. So that was the second trick. Guys, let's go into the third trick in our today list. So that third trick is pretty interesting for parent over there. So by this trick, parent know what your children are doing on mobile by just this simple trick. So go to the Google Chrome. Here you can go to search myactivity.google.com. Here you just see that I the his or her search. For example, I search in the past few minutes. Here you just see that my search. So that is the simple tricks. You just do it by yourself. So let's get into the fourth trick in our today list. So for the final trick, search in the Google Chrome file triple slash here some mistake uh, search this triple slash SD card slash index. Here you just see that. Now click on how to use file SD card to view file on Android Tech Ready. Now simply you just see the all file Android cleaner or download DCIM option or any APK file are available there. Just you can click on single click and open all file or photos from here. So guys, subscribe our YouTube channel and comment below. Thank you.